Once you've created activities in IBM Connections, you'll need to know how to manage them. See how to mark completed tasks and activities, as well as how to edit, move, and add priority levels to your activities. So from my activities page, I can see that I have multiple activities. If I'd like to see the recent updates regarding my activities, I can simply go up to the tabs above, and you'll see that you have 4 options. On the right-hand side, you have the option for recent updates. Within recent updates, I can see that a lot of to-do lists have been added. If I'd like to view my to-do list, I can simply go towards the left-hand side and you'll see a to-do list tab here. Within the to-do list tab, you'll see different sections. So at the top, I can see to-do lists specifically assigned to myself, and I can see to-do lists created by me. So if I'd like to mark a to-do list as complete, I can simply go next to the to-do list and simply check the box. Once I select this box, it's going to ask if I want to mark it as complete, and I can simply select that option here in the bottom right-hand corner. If I'd like to delete one of my tasks, for example, the one created by me here at the bottom, I can simply go towards the right-hand side of the task, and you'll notice on the right-hand side, if you scroll over with the bar at the bottom here, that you have a category labeled More. If I select More, a drop-down menu will appear, and if I scroll down with my mouse wheel, from here I can see that I have the option to edit, as well as more actions here on the right-hand side. If I select more actions, I have the option to delete the task itself directly from here. Once I select delete, it's going to ask if I'm sure, and I can simply select OK. So if I scroll back up to the top, I can see that I have one to-do list item remaining. If I'd like to move this to-do list to a different activity, I can simply select the More option here on the right-hand side. And from More, I'm going to select Edit. And then within Edit, I'm going to select More options. Once I've selected More options, I'm going to scroll to the bottom. And then I'm going to select the section here under the drop-down menu. Within the drop-down menu, I can choose the section to place my to-do list. So I'm going to move it to my press pack instead of my sales pitch, and then I'm going to select Save in the bottom left-hand corner. So now if I scroll back up to the top, I can see that my item has been moved. If I'd like to see my completed to-do list items, I can go to the left-hand menu here and select Completed Items. So from here, I can keep track of which to-do items that I've completed. If I'd like to see incomplete items, I can select that option here just above. If I'd like to see a complete list of my activities, again, I can go up to the top here and select Activities. So if some of my activities are more important than other activities, I can change the priority level. To do that, I can go over the activity I'd like to change and simply select the